Tibet, a land of breathtaking beauty and spiritual significance, is a destination that has captivated the hearts of travelers and adventurers alike. The image of the valley, with its lush green fields and trees adorned with pink blossoms, is a testament to the region's natural splendor. As the spring season unfolds, the peach blossoms burst into bloom, filling the air with their sweet fragrance and creating a picturesque landscape that is nothing short of enchanting. The valley, nestled between towering mountains, is a haven of serenity and tranquility. The snow-capped peaks, a majestic backdrop to the scene, stand sentinel, their rugged grandeur a striking contrast to the gentle beauty below. The river, winding its way through the valley, adds to the sense of peace and calm, its gentle flow a soothing balm to the soul. As one explores the valley, the sense of wonder and awe is palpable. The peach blossoms, a riot of pink and white, create a stunning visual spectacle, their delicate beauty a testament to the region's unique charm. The air is filled with the sweet scent of blooming flowers, and the atmosphere is alive with the sounds of nature, from the chirping of birds to the gentle rustle of leaves. The town, nestled in the heart of the valley, is a charming and rustic haven, its buildings blending seamlessly into the surrounding landscape. The people, warm and welcoming, add to the sense of community and connection, their smiles and greetings a testament to the region's rich cultural heritage. As the day unfolds, the sky transforms into a brilliant blue, with the sun casting a warm glow over the landscape. The mountains, bathed in a golden light, take on a mystical quality, their rugged peaks softened by the gentle illumination. The overall effect is one of breathtaking beauty, a symphony of color and light that is nothing short of magical. Tibet in the spring is a destination that is truly unforgettable. The combination of natural beauty, cultural richness, and spiritual significance makes it a place that is both captivating and humbling. As one experiences the region's unique charm, it becomes clear why Tibet is considered one of the most amazing places on the planet, a true gift from the divine. As I stepped foot into the breathtaking landscape of Tibet, I knew that I was in for an adventure of a lifetime. The rugged terrain, snow-capped mountains, and serene valleys all combined to create a sense of wonder and awe that I had never experienced before. My journey took me through the picturesque valleys, where peach blossoms bloomed in vibrant hues, filling the air with their sweet fragrance. The first day of my adventure was spent exploring the valley, where I marveled at the stunning scenery and took in the rich cultural heritage of the region. I visited ancient monasteries, where I learned about the history and significance of Tibetan Buddhism. The monks, with their warm smiles and welcoming nature, shared their knowledge and way of life with me, leaving a lasting impression on my heart. As I ventured deeper into the region, I encountered the majestic snow-capped mountains, their rugged grandeur a striking contrast to the gentle beauty below. I felt a sense of trepidation as I began my trek up the mountain, but the breathtaking views from the top were well worth the effort. The sense of accomplishment and pride that I felt as I stood at the summit was indescribable. The trek also gave me the opportunity to interact with the local people, who were warm and welcoming. They shared their stories, traditions, and way of life with me, giving me a glimpse into the rich cultural heritage of Tibet. I was struck by the simplicity and humility of the people, who despite the challenges they faced, lived with a sense of contentment and joy. One of the most memorable experiences of my adventure was the opportunity to witness the traditional Tibetan festivals. The vibrant colors, music, and dance all combined to create a sense of excitement and joy that was infectious. I felt privileged to be a part of this celebration, and the memories of the experience will stay with me forever. As I reflect on my adventure experience in Tibet, I am filled with a sense of gratitude and wonder. The region's natural beauty, rich cultural heritage, and warm people all combined to create an experience that was truly unforgettable. My journey was not just about exploring a new destination, but also about discovering the beauty and simplicity of life. Tibet, with its breathtaking landscapes and rich cultural heritage, has left a lasting impression on my heart, and I will always treasure the memories of my adventure there. As I continued my journey through Tibet, I found myself immersed in the region's unique culture and traditions. I visited local markets, where I marveled at the vibrant colors and intricate craftsmanship of the Tibetan artisans. The sound of chanting and the aroma of incense wafted through the air, creating a sensory experience that was both captivating and humbling. One of the highlights of my trip was visiting a traditional Tibetan home, where I was warmly welcomed by the family. They shared their daily life, traditions, and customs with me, giving me a glimpse into the rich cultural heritage of Tibet. The family's hospitality and generosity left a lasting impression on me, and I felt grateful for the opportunity to experience their way of life. As I explored the region, I also had the chance to try the local cuisine, which was a delightful experience. The flavors and aromas of the Tibetan dishes were unique and delicious, and I enjoyed learning about the different ingredients and cooking techniques used in the region. Throughout my journey, I was struck by the resilience and adaptability of the Tibetan people. Despite the challenges they faced, they lived with a sense of hope and determination, and their strong sense of community and cultural identity was inspiring. As I reflect on my adventure experience in Tibet, I am reminded of the importance of cultural exchange and understanding. My journey was not just about exploring a new destination, but also about learning about the people, their culture, and their way of life. Tibet, with its breathtaking landscapes, rich cultural heritage, and warm people, has left a lasting impression on my heart, and I will always treasure the memories of my adventure there. The experience has also broadened my perspective and deepened my appreciation for the diversity of human experience. It has taught me the value of resilience, adaptability, and community, and has inspired me to approach life with a sense of curiosity, openness, and wonder. As I look back on my journey, I am grateful for the opportunity to have experienced the beauty and richness of Tibet, and I know that it will stay with me forever.